No problem. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. And I really take this moment to thank you and really welcome you to this masterclass. It takes a lot of courage to come for learning, especially for women, just thinking of finance, coming to learn, feeling inspired. It really gives me a lot of happiness. So thank you for doing it, and also for thank you for making me happy. And yeah, today we are going to wrap it up in 60 minutes rather than 90 minutes. And this master class is not just how you can just create your first crore, but I'm going to show you the path, some of the principles that I have applied in my life, through which you can also do the same thing in your life. So that is kind of a roadmap, and you can create not just 1 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, 1,000 crores, whatever is the amount that you wish. So anything is possible. Yet you just need to follow some system. You just need to follow some path. So first of all, I really want you to set the intention. What is your intention for learning finances? Is it why you are attending this masterclass? Why is it important for you to learn finances, to understand it, or whether it is investment, learning, anything? Just put in the chat box, set your intention, and also let me know. If you can unmute and tell your intention of joining, or you can write in the chat box, because it is very important that we set up intention for whatever is that we are going to do. So this 60 minute, 90 minute is also very precious part of our life. Anything can shift in these next 60 minute, 30 minutes. So setting intention will lead you to the way that you have joined this masterclass. Whatever you set the intention, you will get the same thing from the universe in that session. So I would appreciate if you can just put your intention out here. And also, when you share with someone else, it is like sharing with the universe what is that you truly deserve. So, why it is important for you to attend this masterclass or learn this thing, or what is your intention that whatever it is, kindly share that. So, everyone, please share. If you are not able to write big paragraph, you can just write in a simple one. I wanna have financial independence, financial freedom. I want to build 1 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. Just small things you can just put in the chat. Or I wanna I wanna gain clarity. I wanna gain confidence. I wanna feel respected. I wanna feel wise, or whatever is that. Just simple 1, 2 words. Put in the chat. So I'll wait for next 30 seconds and then we will move. Kindly do it. It is really as important as learning something in this masterclass. Great. So now that we are going to spend some time together, I would love to share something about me. So my name is Shweta Goyal and I'm one amongst 3,000 certified financial planner across India. And I'm also a part of prestigious Council of Financial Planner. And there we are the like-minded professionals who are doing in this profession of helping individual plan their finances and also do the investment for some around 50 years, 60 years, like that. And I'm also a MF registered mutual fund distributor. And recently I founded Herbal Circle. And this Herbal Circle is not just a company, but a movement, a mission where I really wish and hope to empower at least 1 million women so that they take charge of their money. They feel confident talking about money, managing their money, investing their money. So that is my intention of doing this work. And till now, I'm helping 150 plus people to achieve their dreams, their financial independence, their financial freedom, and most of them are women. And now, first, I want to tell why we are here, just setting a context. And here in this masterclass, I'm not going to show any get rich quick scheme. It is not for the shortcuts. Here, I'm going to tell you some of the principles and how I have created the wealth based on the focused on the sustainable and long-term wealth creation. We are not looking for any quick tips and tricks. We are just focusing on the sustainable long-term wealth. And I'm going to give you some clarity and so that you can take the so that you can feel confident and you should be able to take the consistent action by the end of this masterclass. And it is just these three principles, if you apply in your life, getting the clarity, having the confidence to take that action, and just keep taking that action. So only these three things are required in life for whatever is that we want to achieve. More so, especially in the finance, you need to have the clarity of your goals, of your finances, what is that you want to achieve, and you should be confident enough to take some of the bold step and just follow it, like removing all the noises. Just take the consistent actions. So if you ever have felt lost, stuck, or unsure with money, this session, I hope, is going to feel like a light turning on. So this is my hope and blessings to all those who have attended the masterclass today. So before going any further, I also want to share some of the industry insights, why this is an urgent problem, why I'm doing this right now, and why should also you be part of it. Because if you see in India, less than 5% people are active in equity, in stock market, in mutual funds. Most of the wealth, around 55% of the wealth is in FDs or just gold. And there is vast opportunity. India is going to be a Viksit Bharat by 2047. And we are on this at this golden time where by participating in the businesses, we can also create a wealth passively. So I don't want everyone and anyone, not anyone, but everyone to actively make money, but passively also you can create a massive wealth. You can really put your money to work to have more money for you. So just write some systems that you really need to learn and just simplify your life and just take consistent actions and just take the advantage of the growing Indian economy, growing businesses passively. And now we have gained the independence and we are the literate, like almost 70-80% people are literate, but is still in India financial literacy is very low. It is just 20% women are financially literate, and this data is not so great also for male also. Only 27% male are financially literate, but they take the bold step because of this patriarchy has made them as their one of the tasks. They have to do it whether they know anything about it or do not know about it. So it is their responsibility to take on the money investments whether they really know or do not know. But especially for women, when I say, because they are not given this responsibility, now they are responsible even for earning, but managing, investing, still they are not feeling they are responsible. Still they count on their father, brother, or any other male person, their partner, to take this financial decision, whether they are financially literate or are not financially literate, because we lack this confidence. And my intention of doing it, I really want each and every woman to feel confident in investing and in talking money. And many of us even feel scared of just talking about finances. So this is something really hurt me, and I really wanna make money conversation between husband, wife, between kids and parents so easy. It should also, because money is everywhere. It is involved everywhere in our life, and it should also be part of conversation. We have attached so many levels with the talking of just money. If as a woman you are talking more about money, asking about the investment, you may be labeled as like money mind, she's money minded. Why are you so much concerned about money? You focus on your work like that. But here, I really want each and every woman to feel empowered with this education, with this. Many times we lack the right knowledge. That is why also we feel lack of confidence, and we feel like, okay, whatever they are saying is right. I don't know anything. Even 73% male also don't know anything about proper financial planning and proper investment. Still they are doing, they are not feeling that thing. But as a women we feel, because it is generational conditioning that we have received, and it is very, and if today you are not taking action, our future generation is going to suffer. Not just the girls, even the boys. I am the mother of two boys. So still, I feel being financially educated as a woman is very important, so that I can impart in my children those values of finances, how to manage money, how to do the financial planning, what is the importance of saving in investments, doing simple money activities with them. So it is very important, because I feel like truly when a woman learn about finances, when she is confident, the whole family goes to another level. So this is what today we are going to learn. First, mastering the mindset shift. Second, implementing a money system. And third, how can you turn even 100 rupees a day into a crore? Then before going to the learning, I also want to know, uh, tell some of the problems that I want to tell first my mission and story, like how as a homemaker I become an investor and my journey of small. I started with very small invested investments. So when I came after marriage, I was a homemaker. By choice, actually, I decided to pursue UPSC, and then it took me 3 years to realize, okay, this is not something that I can do. I got pregnant and the life journeys went on. But in between that time also, the one good thing that I was doing is, whatever little money or whatever money I was receiving from my husband as a homemaker, I was saving some of the amount, and I was MBA finance, so I knew some of the concepts of investments and all, and I used to invest some little amount every month. And these small investments has really given me the confidence. So when COVID hit, we were at home. The expenses were really low that time. So that is the time where we have multiplied our investments, and we were able to build our 1 crore portfolio through this discipline and consistency. So month after month, even the small investments that we have done has grown, and also has given me the confidence. And also we have seen the markets ups and down, like in the last 13 years. So even today you don't feel confidence, but I would say just start today with whatever small amount you can, so that you will learn along the way. If you keep waiting for learning everything perfectly, you will keep waiting for the life. You will never learn. So once you start doing something, that is when you will start learning something more. And now my mission is to empower at least 1 million people to achieve financial freedom, financial independence, and this financial confidence. When they talk about money, when they talk about investments, they should be knowing. And when they know something, then only you will get the confidence. You can't fake it. And these are the top 6 problems that as a women, most of the women face. You are earning but not investing. Even as a homemaker, you are getting the money from your husband, your father, or anybody else, but you are not investing. Money is just coming in and just going out. And you feel scared to invest because you do not know how. You don't know how should I do it. And you may be relying on your spouse, brother, friend, or any male member for financial decision, or if not male, just a friend. Okay, or you may be wanting wealth, but you do not feel confident in managing your money, and you feel like you need really lakhs to become crorepati. Yes, you need lakhs if you wanna become crorepati quickly. But with persistence, with consistency, even 100 rupees a day can make you crorepati. Okay. And you are overwhelmed by too many options. You want to learn but there are so many things now. You felt very confused. You feel noise. How to go? I can't because there is so much information overload. You feel like I can't do it. It is not my cup of tea. It is not something that I can do. If you resonate with any of these problems, or please put in the chat box true, so that I know, okay, yeah, whatever problems I'm talking are real. Or you can type real. So if you resonate with any of these problems, put in the chat box real. If you really feel like you are earning but you can't invest, you are scared to invest because you do not know how, you rely on the male member to take the financial decisions for you, you want wealth but do not feel the confidence, you really feel you need less by too many options and noises.
इंडियन पास्ता बनाया.
Yes. And this is what actually after learning the Khushbu, one of the member in my community, she is one of the first member in my community. She joined, and this is what she has shared after learning and also doing the investment. So in my community, I just don't teach. I also handhold you and guide you to do the investment, because learning is one part, but until you have something tangible, you really do not feel that confidence. So this is what she has shared. For years, I worked, earned well, but never once thought about investing. The fear of making mistakes kept me away. But something shifted when I finally decided to take charge and invest on my own. The first step was scary, but today I feel a sense of confidence I have never known before. It is just not about money, it is about the control now I have over my future. And she has been working for around 10-12 years. She has worked in the IT industry, she has earned a lot, and now she is a coach. And but whenever even she was having the regular income, she never felt confidence. Earlier she used to give the money to her father to manage. After marriage she used to give the money to the husband to manage, but never she dared to take the step because she felt like this is not something I can do. But once she decided to learn, everything changed. Now she is the most confident investor, even though she is doing with my help, but she knows everything where her money is going, and that is where the confidence comes. So now every time the money comes in, she is just messaging me, ki Shweta, just initiate 20% investment. She will send me the amount, I'll invest, and she will do the investment. So that is how she's building it up. And now it is much more than this amount. This I have put, I think, 2 months back. So she's really doing great. I'm super proud of her. And now I want to tell about like my turning point also, how this goal of earning 1 crore ignited my journey. The three core mantras were start now. I didn't started to know everything perfectly. I just started. So that is the thing, and that is one thing I really wish everyone or every woman should do. Just don't wait for knowing everything. The day will never come. Once you start doing, but once you start doing something, that is only when you will start learning about it also. You will give some importance in your life to this thing. So allow it to happen in your life. Just start now. And the most important thing is be disciplined. Just don't do, okay, I have done this now. Okay, first step I have taken, but now regularly you are not doing any investment. So whether you are a homemaker or a working woman, everyone can do. You can just start investing with 500 a month. It doesn't take now 500 in a day. We just spend on our kid just getting one dish, right? Even when we go out to the restaurant, we just spend 2,000, 3,000 rupees like that. So just be disciplined. It is not about how much you are going to invest. It is about building a consistency habit, creating a habit. Habit is more important than how much you are investing. So when I started, I also started with 1,000 rupees, 1,500, 2,000 rupees. in very small amounts. And for around 5 years, I didn't feel like hey, I'm doing anything great. But over the year, the compounding started happening. And when COVID actually hit, that was the moment actually my husband's salary was also reduced by 30%. But again, we decided to go to the hometown and their expenses were really less. We were able to save good amount of money, and that is when we increased our investments. And when we increased our investment, the last year we hit this 1 crore mark, and that was really a proud moment that whatever we were doing all those years, still we couldn't, still in those times, like for first 8 years, we couldn't see much of the impact, much of the difference. But last 5 years has really accelerated our journey. So it is always you need to start wherever you are. Don't feel it's too late for me, it is too early for me. There is nothing like that. So if you could have started before, that was great, but don't feel now it's too late. Now the life expectancy is not 50 or 60, it is 90 for women. For male, it is less. So as a woman in later part of life, you do not want to dependent on anyone else. So now is the time you learn. You can't be dependent on your spouse, your family, your kids. You are responsible for your growth, for your learnings, for your financial independence. So take the first step today, start now, and just be disciplined. Whatever is the smallest amount even you choose, just for some time, you just need to build that habit of investing. You are just learning by being in this game. You can't learn by being an outsider. You need to be in the game to learn and experience the real money emotions. And if you have the money, start putting more money, because with this small money you will not feel those emotions. Okay, so if let's say you are earning 10,000, if you can invest 6,000, that will be great. If you are earning 5,000, you can start 2,000. So whatever is, or you are if you are earning 5 lakh, you can start investing 2 lakh, 3 lakh. So then only you will see the real emotions. So if let's say you are earning 1 lakh and you are just investing 1,000, you will not feel the emotions. If 500 loss will happen, it will not really matter to you. But if you are just earning, let's say 5,000, and if you are investing 1,000, that you may feel some emotions, right? So it depends on how much you are earning. So if I'm saying starting is small, but if you are having more, start doing with the more. Okay. So it will also accelerate and you will really understand yourself. And in this money creation, I feel like understanding our own self is very, very important, because when the markets are high, all of us feel like we are the risk takers. But when market dips, that is only when you realize. And you can't just learn these things by just learning some book or some doing some courses. You have to be in the game to experience those real emotions of yours, because everyone is different. Everyone experience different emotions, but you also need to be invested like quite a substantial amount to feel those emotions. For learning, even a small amount will do, but for emotions, for understanding yourself completely and truly, you really need to play big. And the third principle is you need to invest before spending whatever is the money. If you are working as a working woman, it's coming to you, or if you are a homemaker as a homemaker, that whatever money is coming to you, so you invest some amount before spending anything out there. So when you do this, then only you can become disciplined. And all these things I feel are interrelated and also really helped me in my journey. So if you can resonate with it, put yes, so that I know whatever I'm sharing, it makes sense to you, or put MS makes sense in the chat box so that I know. Yeah, thank you, dear. And now I want to tell what I promised, like whatever we are going to learn. So first is the money mindset. And first I want to ask you the question, like, and we women are called Lakshmi when we are born. We are called Lakshmi when we are married. We are called Lakshmi in the other family also. So I first want to really ask you, do you really feel like a Lakshmi? Because now I see a lot of women, most of the women, they do not feel like Lakshmi. They have this scarcity in them. I do not have enough. Whether you are earning or you are not earning, it doesn't matter. Whether you are a homemaker or a working woman, because this is our energy as a feminine. This is our feminine energy of Lakshmi. We are the creator, we are the attractor of Lakshmi. You can put in the chat box yes if you feel like Lakshmi, or you can put in the chat box no if you do not feel like Lakshmi. Because for a woman, I feel whatever you feel, you manifest. We as a women are the manifester, we are the creator of this world. So whatever we feel, truly, whatever is the inside is outside. And for all of us, but for I feel more for women this thing, because even earlier I was a homemaker. I used to feel like this is not my money, my husband is earning. Even though I was doing the investments and managing finances and everything, still I used to feel that scarcity ki I am not doing it, I am not earning, my husband is doing it, is his money, it is okay. Matlab it is his generosity that he has given this money to manage to me. But I really didn't felt like Lakshmi until last 2 year before, when I joined one of my mentor and I did a program where I really felt the shift in my energy, and I really felt okay, what it truly means to feel like a Lakshmi. Feeling Lakshmi doesn't really have to do anything with whatever amount you are having today. It is about how you are feeling. You may be having crores, but still you may not be feeling that abundance. You may be having thousands and you are still be feeling abundant. So feeling Lakshmi has nothing to do with your money situation. It is our feelings, our mindset. And this is the first thing I address in my community, because I feel as a woman, we really need to have this mindset of Lakshmi. Yes, whatever. And we need to operate from this energy of Lakshmi, because our belief shapes our financial reality. Whatever is inside is outside. If you feel like earning money is hard, you will see that. If you feel like money doesn't grow on trees, it takes really hard work and struggle to earn money, the same thing you will see, the same situation you can see in your life. So whatever your beliefs are, the you can just, our life simply mirror our beliefs. So I help you to transform your financial subconscious financial pattern so that you are set for the success. Because many a times it is not because of our responsibilities, capabilities, or anything. It is about our money blueprint and about our subconscious beliefs. Even for me, I had a few of the beliefs very strong, like earning money is not so important. I should do what I am passionate to do. And the money is not so important, relations are important. So when I went through that program, I had this profound realization, okay, this is the thing that is blocking me. So that time I was just having one kid. Now I'm having two kids and I'm managing my work, my finances, and my house beautifully by just changing my beliefs. So everything just changed when I changed my belief. So you need to cultivate some of the habit that resonate with abundance. You can start saying thank you whenever you are paying money, and you can start really feeling gratitude whenever you receive money. So as a woman, you also do not have to feel proud. Ki, okay, now I am the Lakshmi, I am the creator. If your man is going to earn the money, you are disrespectful to that person. So that is also not Lakshmi. You can see Lakshmi like, you can imagine Vishnu and Lakshmi. Lakshmi is at the foot of the Vishnu. Vishnu is the creator. So if someone is getting you the Lakshmi, you need to be grateful and respectful towards that person. So put in the chat, MM, if these things really made sense for you. Thank you. Yes. And Nikita is also one of the member from my community. And just after 2 works, we also have a daily ritual in our community where we come and we do together some of the rituals that also help us to rewire our brain. And This is what she has shared. After working on my beliefs, I felt the shift in my mindset. I never realized how much my old beliefs were holding me back until I started showing up for the daily rituals. Slowly, something shifted. I began to feel lighter, more aligned, more abundant. It's like magic. When you change what's within, everything around you begins to change too. So I really felt good. Whatever has worked for me is also working for others. And truly feel blessed that I got this chance to make the difference in others' life. And the second secret is mastering your money flow. So first secret was our inner world, and then next two secrets are about our outer words, the results. So how you can manage your money. So any time, any point in time in your life, if you feel like you are not in control of your money, money is a tool, but we feel money is the master, not we. Even though you are earning, you are putting your effort, still you are feeling like a servant to the money. So now it is a time to take your power back and you become the master of your money. And how can you become it? You really need just a simple system to feel like a master or in control of the money. So first thing for doing it, you need to track every rupee with intention. So whatever is the little amount or big amount you are spending, you really need to track each and every expense of yours with the intention, because this exercise will bring a better awareness for you. So with better awareness, you can create better choices, and with better choices, your results are going to be different. So many times we want to change our outer results, we want to change our money situation, we want to be the master of the money, we want to be the controller of the money, but we are not taking any different actions. So if you're expecting your results to be different, you really need to take different actions. But how will you take different actions? First, you need to be aware what is actually happening. If you make your awareness what is happening, that is only when you can choose different actions, and your results can be different by doing the different actions. And for that, you need to track every rupee, you need to level it, just see, is it a need or a want? Many a times in our life, we feel like I'm doing the expenses, all the expenses are my need. Only when it was needed, I did it. I didn't do the expenses out of my want. And there are two losses of doing that. First, if you're not differentiating in needs and want, you will never be able to manage your finances nicely. Second thing, you will always be in this scarcity mindset, because I can't fulfill my dreams, desire, my wants. Only I get to spend on my needs. So you will definitely be feeling more and more scarce day by day. So just by segregating your needs and wants, you are building awareness. Okay, needs are just must have. Whatever for your life to run like at a certain lifestyle, whatever is that you need, those are your needs. And apart from that, all are your wants. Okay, so difference are, and when you focus more on your wants, if you just keep focusing on your needs, so where you focus more, your energy flows. So if you keep focusing on your needs, you will just always be in this survival mode and this scarcity mode. But once you differentiate between two and you can see, okay, this much money is going for my want, then you will start to feel the abundance, and also you will be better able to manage your money. And you need to schedule money date with yourself and your partner for doing the exercise. Do it weekly, at least weekly. Start having the conversations, and you need to implement a system to categorize your funds. So in my community, I teach this jar system where you can have a 6 jars to to manage your money. So you can use the jar system, you can use any system where you are differentiating between your necessities, your plays, your investments, your charity, your education, everything is designated. And when you implement a system, that is when you feel in control of the money. Otherwise, you always will be feeling money is controlling me. So if you want to be the master of money, promise ke yes, I'm going to manage my money. Put M in the chat box. If you are really going to manage your money, implement a system and truly feel like master of your money. Yes. Thank you. So this is the story that Simran has shared after implementing the jar system in her life. So earlier, money felt like sand slipping through my fingers, coming in and just going out. I used to feel guilty for spending for fun. But ever since I started using the jar system, everything changed. Now I allocate for both investments and joy guilt free. For the first time, I truly in control of my money and my life. And this is not just Simran's, it is everyone's feedback after using this system, whether it is Pranshi, Simran, and Avantika. There are so many members who has implemented because this system allows a dedicated amount for your play also, because as a human being we also have a deep desire for self love and also spending so that we feel more abundant. So when you like have a system where your needs are different, your wants are different, your soul also feels satisfied. When you allocate a certain amount for your wants, you feel satisfied. If you are not feeling a system, you are just going through this scarcity phase for long time. At one point in time you will make a big mess, you will make a decision because your inner child will be fed up of feeling sad. You will make some unwise decision and you will end up buying something for whatever that you have saved. You will just hamper your journey. So if you follow a system systematically, every month you are spending on your fun, is spending on your education, charity, everything that you are doing, your inner child is very satisfied, and that is only when you can go long term in wealth creation. You can be disciplined and consistent in your journey. And now the third secret is how 100 rupees a day also can create a 1 crore for you. So let's say if you are just starting 100 rupees SIP, and I always recommend do SIP because this is the way automatically it creates a discipline in you. It also brings the consistency. Many a times we get inspired for something, we do for some time and then we stop. But SIP is a way that will help you to be disciplined and consistent. So if you just invest 100 rupees a day, and now this 100 rupees a day, you can just see how much you are spending for your kid in a day. So just see if just small part of it you can put in the investment daily. So just by putting 100 rupees daily, that also can become 3000 rupees monthly SIP. So now there is an option, even you can literally put 100 rupees a day for investments, or you can just do the monthly SIP if you want. And if you are investing in equity mutual fund, I have on an average, you will be able to receive 12% return. You can actually get 14-15%. But even if you are getting 12%, in 30 years, you can simply create 1 crore just by 100 rupees a day. It is just small, consistent steps that help you to grow. But how many people actually achieve this thing? And now I want you to know from you for how many years you may have worked, or after your graduation, how many years have passed. Since then you can do the investment, or you could have started earning. So how many year already have been passed? So for me, I completed my MBA in 2011. It's been 14 years already. So how many years for you? Is it 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, 15 year, 30 year, whatever is the number, just put. And then you will be able to see. It just looks like, okay, 30 year. I can't wait for 30 years. Yes. See, half journey you have passed. And how much wealth have you created in 16 years? 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 50 lakh, a crore. How much have you created? Zero. That's so sad. Just ask yourself, could, if you knew this system, could you have started this 100 rupees a day investment? Was it possible, or was it not at all possible for you in your situation? I'm not asking you to imagine any imaginary situation, but your situation. Was it easy, medium, or difficult for you to just implement a system where every day you could have just invest 100 rupees? Was it possible? Was it easy or very difficult for you to do that? Because every one of us is different. I really want to know how about you. So maybe my situation was different and I can say, okay, 100 rupees a day I could have saved easily or invested easily. But what was your take? Yes. So for most of us, because we make the things complex and we wait for the right time, we wait for knowing everything perfectly. We want first, we need to have legs, then only it makes sense. What will 100 rupees do? What will 1,000 rupees do? Let me not do it now. When I have more money, then I will invest more. And that is one of the biggest mistake all most of us do. And that is why we are not able to create any wealth. So now if you are in the master class, my humble request to each one of you, yes. So now it is not about others. Now you know, now you have learned this, and now it is up to you how you apply these principles in your life. And also, I also want to share at this point this thing. Only 7% of the people continue their investments beyond 5 years. They drop off before 5 years. 93% people drop off, because it is not about, because here now you feel okay, it is very simple, okay, only 100 rupees a day, 3,000 monthly SIP, this is possible, I'll do that. But you know, many people feel like that, they start like that, but 93% people drop off just 5 year in just 5 years. So do you see, like, if just in 5 years if you drop off, will you be able to create any significant wealth? It is really not possible. And that is why I say learning is so important. I know the concepts are very simple, and my task truly is to simplify everything. So that, because I feel like complex thing we can't do for long. We do not have that much time. If you are someone who are looking for some complex thing, some fancy thing, my community is really not for you. My community is for the simple step, just learning the basics. And only I feel like for 99% of the people, just learning the basics help to build the confidence and take these small steps. And with these small steps only you can create the massive wealth. Just see, if in place of 100 rupees a day you are doing 1,000 rupees daily investment, so your wealth will not be just 1 crore, it will be 10 crores, right? So in place of 1,000, if you can do 1,000 rupees investment, it will be 100 crores. So even 1,000 rupees is not that big. You can easily invest 30,000 monthly. So can you see, in 30,000 monthly also, consistently if you do, you can create 100 crores in 30 years. It is not that hard. But why many people are not going to do it? Still after learning it, you are not going to do it. Because if you don't learn, you will never stick to it. And finance is more like emotions. When you see your money going down, when you see your market is going down, okay, you have invested, let's say for 5 years, your money has grown to 10 lakh, and now suddenly market correction happens, and your money is 8 lakh or 7 lakh. You will stop. You will not see, okay, this is an opportunity, I should invest more. You will feel scared, and you will question yourself कि क्या मैंने सही डिसीजन लिया है, am I doing the right thing? And most of us do not even go to the financial advisors, financial planners, because we feel like, first, either we feel too confident or we feel like too embarrassed to go. And that is the truth. So in your life, if you really want to create this massive wealth, so do not feel overconfident or shame. It is your responsibility, one of the life skill that you really need to learn and do. We spend so much money in learning, on the skill of earning. How can you earn more? Our focus is completely on earning. How can I earn more? We learn for 20-25 years, from nursery, LKG, UKG, to graduation, to post graduation, and even after post graduation we do so many courses, and our focus is just to earn. And it's still in lot many, in all the colleges, I don't see any college where the focus is to manage or grow the money that you have earned. Only we are learning earning money, but no one is teaching about managing, or just taking how do we do the investment. And it is not that great history. Financial markets are also new, it is not even 100 years old. So we are also new. So you really need to learn and adapt, so that you are better in a position to manage your money, and create this wealth. These steps are very simple, and it will only work when you make them work for you. And only when you learn, you will get this confidence. And that is why I encourage everyone, especially the women, to learn. Either join my community or any other community, but don't just be rely on the random advices, random people, and don't join the complex concept community. You may be feeling, okay, I learn AI strategy, I'll automate my stock investing. Just don't fall for it if you're not willing to invest your time. So there is no shortcut for wealth creation. Either you need time, or either you need money or energy, right? So not everything is that simple or shiny. So here this may feel like so boring. Okay, what is the excitement? I want this 1 crore not in 30 years, but here is a simple step. Are you excited to know how can you reduce the time to almost half? Do you want me to reveal that secret? You will not even need 30 years. Just in 18 years, you can earn 1 CR with the same principle. Yes. And this is one of the secret, even not a secret, but not many people are really willing to tell you. And this simple thing is just stepping up your investments. So many times our earnings increase. Let's say we have started with 10,000, we are earning 12,000, 15,000, 25,000, even a lakh, even 10 lakh, 15 lakh. But whatever SIP or investment we are doing at the same pace. And we are wondering why we are not becoming wealthy. Only our lifestyle expenses or other expenses are rising. So the simple hack is you need to step up your monthly SIP even annually if you increase it by 20%. And 20% is not that big. So 100 rupees investment, this 12 months you do 100 rupees a day. The next year you do 120 rupees a day. It is not that big. Or monthly, if you are doing just first year, that first 12 months you are doing 3,000. The next 12 months you are doing 3,600. And then on top of it, 20%. Every year you are increasing. Do you feel it is easy? Can you do it? So you even do not need 30 years. Just in 18 years with the same principle, you can earn 1 crore. Or if you increase your investments, you can even earn 10 crore or 100 crores. So now I really want to know your intention. How much is that you feel is possible? Can you create 1 CR, 10 CR, 100 CR by applying these same principles? Is it possible? Is it easy? Yes. Yes. So same thing I told, like even 100 crores you can create with this simple step. Just by 1,000 rupees daily investment and 20% annual step up, you can even earn 100 crores. You do not need to know, okay, which stock is going to make me rich. You do not need to know the multi-bagger stock. You do not need to know which crypto will become the fanciest, or which thing will turn like magic. Which lottery should I buy? Consistently, if you apply this simple principle, you are automatically becoming wealthy. Okay. So if you want to create 1,000 crores, 100 crores, you just increase the amount of investments. So everything is possible. Just have this simple step so that it is possible for you to do it. And here I'm gonna share Avantika's story, and this is the message that really touched my heart when she shared this. A heartfelt thank you, Shweta, teaching us the path to financial freedom with such dedication and clarity. Your consistent reminders to take action and your genuine efforts to keep us on track mean so much. I know I'm still working on being consistent, but with your constant support and guidance, I truly believe I'll achieve our goals together. Yes, I have started investing with your guidance, and initially I have started saving 3,000, 2,000, and now a total 32,500. My new target is to save more. Grateful to be learning under you. Let's keep moving forward one step at a time. Thank you once again from the bottom of my heart. So when she started with a small amount. Initially, she did 2,000 SIP, then increased it to 3,000. Then now she is investing 32,500. And her next target in next 2 months is doing it to 50,000. And why she got that much courage in just 6 months? because she has learned the concept. And if you see the last 6 months also, you could have seen the market cycle. In December, market was too high. Then the market has bent down January, February, March, and April again it started coming up. So it went up and again now it is going down. So she is also learning to manage her emotions and see marketed from different perspective, not looking every day at the prices, but looking at the bigger goal. What is my goal? For what I really need to do the investment? Is it today, tomorrow, or is it 10 year, 20 year down the line? So I really do not need to look at it. I just need to be disciplined to create this wealth. And this confidence she has got by learning. So if you are willing, if you really want to know or learn about my program, put excited. So I will share what is that I have for you. And I hope you have gotten the value for the time that you have invested with me. And if you want to continue your journey with me, I just don't want to leave you here with just some information. I really want to handhold you and guide you in your whole life's journey so that these dreams become true. Yes, thank you. So this is the system that I have designed, holistic wealth system. Why I say it holistic? Because life is not just one thing. It is it is also about our protection, creating emergency fund, creating our proper asset allocation. It is not just one thing that we need to do. There are multiple things, and I have designed a system where I will be sharing you how by step you can create your own wealth system so that your foundations become very strong, and there is no one who can shake your foundations. And when your foundations are strong, your wealth creation, whatever is that 1 crore, 10 crore, 100 crores, can become sustainable. You will not be shaky. So with this system, you are going to get this confidence. This is my flagship program, and the value of it is 19,999. And the second program, and this program is also most closest to my heart, and also this is my one of my L3 program where I'm teaching money blueprint reset. In this program, I'm just giving a overview, some of the concepts that will help you to identify your money blueprint, and I will also be sharing the action steps how you can do it. In my one-on-one program, this program only I charge 50,000 rupees, but here I'm going to give it as a bonus if you are joining my community. And also you will be part of the daily rituals that we do in our community from 9 to 9:30. So full 1 year support you are going to receive, because I feel like the inner work is not a one-day task. In one session, I may teach you, but I will not be able to change your beliefs. So I need a dedicated time, at least 3 months time. So if you are consistent in those 3 months, you will see a big shift in your life, not just in outer world, but your inner world, your energy around money, and your money blueprint will reset to a higher level. And the next is mastering your money flow. So here I teach about jar system. How can you apply each step by step? I teach, and I'll also created a template, and you are going to get the lifetime access for this. The price of this is 9,999, and you are going to receive it completely free. And this course is protection before prosperity. In this course, I go in detail about how can you create emergency fund, what is the importance, and understanding the life insurance and health insurance in detail, what is its need, what is that you really need to look at. And I will also be helping you in analyzing your own health and term insurance if you have, or if you need more, I will be supporting you to buy a good policy for yourself. So the price of it is 4,999. And I'm also going to cover the equity essentials. I'm going to help you to understand what is equity in simplified way. I'm not going to teach anything complex. I'm not going to teach you the charts, the patterns, the technical analysis, all those things. Just the basic things so that you know if you are seeing any stock, if you are seeing equity, what does it really mean? And I feel like only this much you really need to know. Other thing is just noise. And this is also one of my flagship program that I have designed, Mutual Fund Mastery, because I feel like you really do not need to give your precious time 4 or 5 hour in a day. If you can just hire some country's best resources for that. So through mutual funds, you can really invest in the equity with the experts' help. So here I will be telling A to Z what is mutual fund, what are the benefit, what is the structure of mutual fund, what different types of mutual fund are there, how you can choose, what are the parameters that you need to see. There are 6 7 steps that you really need to see before buying a mutual fund and analyzing them. So here everything you are going to receive, and I really this is also one of my flagship course, because I feel like mutual fund is really a simplified way of investing. And in my life and in my community, I really want to promote the simplicity of everything in finances and in life. So so my way is the mutual fund way. So this course is alone is 19,999, and I'm also going to support you. So these courses you will receive, but apart from that, I will also be available live, helping you implement all that we have seen through the Freedom Hackathon. And live, and also apart from this, every week I will be coming live, maybe Wednesday 2 to 3 p.m. So where whatever questions that you are having from any related to finance, you can come and ask me. The value of the support is lifetime you are going to receive, and it is valued at 49,999. And the total value of the system is 1,59,993. But yes, today you are not going to pay me this. The special offer is 24,999. So do you really feel excited, or you want some more discount, some put excited? If you feel the course is something that can really help you to design your wealth system, and you really want to come in, just put excited. Yes, thank you. So in the next 15 minutes, if you make the decision, the price that you are going to pay is not 1,50,000, not 25,000. It is just one-time payment of 9,999. And you can also choose to pay in 3 parts. So you can pay each month 4,000, you can pay as a booking amount. Next month, September first week, you can pay another 4,000, and October first week, you can pay another 4,000. So you can just use this QR code and you can make the payment. And now if there is any questions that you want to ask, feel free to ask. I'm all here. You can turn on a video, unmute yourself, and you can ask any questions that you may have.
Chandam Prakushtam Pragalbham Paresham Akhandam Ajam Bhanukoti Prakasham Shula Nirmulanam Shula.
So thank you so much for joining in, Namrata and all. I'm super happy that you have joined, and I hope you have received some value joining this session. Kindly share your feedback, and if you need a one-on-one call with me, you can just send me a personal message where I can, if you need some more detail, we will be talking one-on-one, and you can come in my community. So thank you so much for joining. Lots of love and blessings. Bye. See you.